Collaborating and promoting other merchants and suppliers help grow your business. So the question is, why is it important in growing your low-carb bake shop business? First and foremost, you will have access for new customers and clients. Because yung mga pinagko-collaborate natin ng mga suppliers and merchants, they have already their own circle of clients. And when we partner with them and when we promote with them, then we are also growing our client base. It is through that, no, na na-expand yung client base natin, that we are also driving referrals. I have experienced this several times, no, from our partner brands like Keto Kusina Food Products, Low Carb Perfect Match Selection, Little Retail PH, no, that they have also recommended clients to us. Also helps build integrity and brand awareness. No, nandun yung trust factor. And so yung ating small business model, yung ating small business bake shop, ay mag-grow din kasi nandun na yung trust. When we collaborate, we are also building stronger community ties and relationship. Alright, especially within the area. More than thinking of competition, it's more of growing and help each other grow. And I've experienced that so many times. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank our brand partners. Thank you also to Aprons, no? Yung maker ng ating mga aprons. Maganda po lahat ng kanilang mga aprons. Thank you to our partners, our brand affiliates. Low Carb Baking 101 book by Coach Shay is distributed exclusively by Little Retail PH. And they are also suppliers of low carb ingredients. Thank you also Low Carb Perfect Match Selections. Ayan, ilang beses na rin po nila tayo fini-feature sa kanilang mga videos. They are also a big supplier of low carb baking ingredients at marami pang iba. And of course, Keto Kusina Food Products, maker of sugar-free chocolates and sauces. You have been our #1 supporters from the beginning. Thank you so much.